Hi David, I'm going to show you a song by John Prine called Sound of the Speed of Loneliness, and it only has 3 chords in it, which are G, C and D. Those are the chords for the baritone, and these are the chords for the regular ukulele. Okay, so I'm also going to play you a bit of it on the guitar, so you've got an idea of how different each instrument sounds. Okay, so like I say, it's just G, C and D. So that's on the acoustic guitar. So now I'm going to move to the baritone, which, as you know, the baritone are just the 4 bottom strings of the guitar. So the guitar is, can you just get that? E, A, D, G, B, E. And this is just D, G, B, E. Anyway, back to the song. Sound of the Speed of Loneliness by John Prine. If you haven't heard it, check it out. So it's got quite a full sound when compared to the ukulele. So here we are again. Same song, same chords, G, C, D. Obviously, the fingering's different. Some days you don't come home at all. So what in the earth has come over